Hi, I'm William Van Cleve. I'm here to help with your questions about reading and writing. Here's our question. My child has a lot of great ideas, but she has trouble organizing them to write. Why does this happen, and what can I do about it? It's a really good question. So many times our kids either have trouble getting their thoughts down on paper or put their thoughts down in such a jumbled order it's difficult to follow. Most of the research tells us that we really should help kids get some pre-writing steps in place. It may help from our youngest kids for a parent or another adult to scribe, at least at first. That helps the kid with taking the handwriting and the spelling pieces out of the picture. Another really important thing to do is to help kids organize their thoughts before they actually go to write their sentences. The simplest, easiest step to start with is some sort of list. Let's get our thoughts down. They don't need to be in sentences. They don't need to be spelled correctly. We're just getting our thoughts down. Then we can put those thoughts in order. We might number them or even cut them out and arrange them to figure out the flow of what we want to say. When those steps come out, when we've got those already out of the brain, that gives us so much space to do the generating of the content. Since everything's laid out for us, we can really take those thoughts and then we can build our good sentences and we can build our good ideas. So that 1-2 approach where we're organizing first, where we're planning first, and then we're going to write from that plan, that's a step too often that's missed for kids. Thanks so much for that great question.
For more information about teaching writing, please visit www.readingrockets.org. Writing SOS is produced through a partnership of the National Education Association and WETA.